It's 1,000 fucking miles to your door. Don't know if I can do this anymore. You're somewhere lost in static noise. I'm frozen in this space. Your name lights up like neon hope, but it don't burn, it don't feel close. But this pain just fucking stays the same.
Your voice breaks through the chord like glass, sharp as hell but soft as past. Every miss you drills my chest, and I drown in my regret.
I just wanna crash into where you are, through every goddamn wall and scar. Hold the pieces you didn't take. Why does love always leave a bruise where hope used to be? Fuck, I'll wait for you. Sunrise feels like a fucking joke. It hits my bed but not my soul. I whisper your name to the dark, like maybe you'll crawl through that door. You're not coming back, and I miss you. Still I ask the air like a prayer gone numb. When the fuck do I get to hold someone? I burn down heaven just to touch your breath, trading my lungs for your silhouette. I yell at stars like they ever care, wishing on shit that don't exist. Every night I break in half, screaming at a ghost in a photograph. God ain't spoke since you disappeared, maybe he's just tired of my fear. I just wanna crash into where you are, crack the silence, tear apart every lie that said we'd be okay. Why does love taste like ash, like something sweet that didn't last? I'll wait for you, even if it cuts me straight through. 'Cause I never learned how not to.